In this video we are going to show you how to remove the extensions from almost any 4 lines bar. In this video we're using the duotone click bar.
In order to remove your extensions, you need to go to the split on your lines, where the loop connection is loaded. Just as shown here. You undo the loop-to-loop connection and pull the line through. Remove the pigtail from the extension. Reconnect it with the main line. It's a loop-to-loop connection. Make sure to pull it over and through and pull it tight. Repeat the process on the other lines. After that, you're ready to ride.